This free tutorial, we're going to help you on how to view the NHL 3-star players completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, open up the NHL application on your smartphone device, and then go to the bottom left-hand screen and click the second option, Scores. Underneath Scores, once it has been opened up and loaded, you want to locate an NHL game that you would like to access or view the 3 NHL star players. In this case, click on one of the games. And once opened up and loaded, click the middle hand screen or box Score. And then once this has been opened up and loaded, scroll all the way down until you see the option underneath Game Reports, Game Summary. In this case, it's the first option. Once the game summary sheet has been opened up and loaded, you can scroll in and go all the way down. And if you go all the way down to the bottom right hand screen, you should be able to see the 3 stars of this NHL game completely for free.